How is everybody? Standing in the midst of light. For me, there's a ton of clarity. For you, there's yellow, and it's a yellow light. I'm watching the series Touch, and I'm finding so many intricate little pieces of understanding how I'm doing my work, in which I've tried to convey, and now I was explained a little bit, something a little bit deeper. In each realm, there's its own vibration. If I throw a rock into a still water, I'll get a certain echo. If I get a different shape of rock, will I get a different shape of a wave? Not the echo, the wave. But anyways, I've been just out there doing a little bit of these pictures, putting together some of these pictures. That's why I put this in. If I had these as glass pictures, right, I can reshape them. Just going over a couple of things. I can reshape them. You can go on Art Mr. Tackpans. Let me get this light off of this. You can go on Art Mr. Tackpans on Facebook, and I've done some how can I say, designs. Well, I've done some designs of clothing with these pieces. You want to call it art or whatever you want to call it, the palm trees, the birds. Anyways, regardless of what I'm doing, I just came up with something that I really liked. First of all, they're talking about 87. Okay, 87 or 78 can also be referred to as October, can also be referred to as 12. Adding up 1 to 12 equals to 78. 12, the word, if I say correctly, equals to a total of 43, and putting certain combinations of letters together, like T and W, equals to 43. And because of my system that I use, that all zeros equal to 4 left, 5 center, 6 right, and I'm always working with the right, I'm always adding 0 to 6. Okay, so in the first scenario, if I go A through G, and G being 7, then the next C will be 10. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 will equal to 10, and 7 added to 17 minus 2, number 3, the difference in these two numbers. At 17, okay, the 14th number is G, the 15th number is A, the 16th number is B, and then we're at C once again. The numeric value of 52 is Earth. It's also the numeric value for 1771 as the gateway to heaven. Why? Because when we get to 10, although it's C, it's reverted back to 1 again. So it becomes 7 and 1 at C. At the same time, okay, the 8th letter in the alphabet, the 8th position, is the C. The 15th, again, will be, the 8th is the A. Sorry, the 8th is the A. Okay, this combination is the C. This is 7 or G and A. G-A. The 7th and the 3rd, okay, B52. I don't know if I came across and explained that correctly. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 will equal to the 7th and the 10th, and this is the C in the piano, but becomes 7 and 1. So 7 and A. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 is 7 and 8. The 8th is A, the 7th is G, and you have 71 as well as 73. The 1 inside the deck of cards and in the cube is reverted back to the C. Lamed Vav, LV, Las Vegas. And when I say the C, in the middle of the C, in the middle of the C. So now we have to talk about the 7 C's, right? The 7 C's. Do you understand? The ocean, the seas, and Las Vegas. LV, Lamed Vav. The 15th and 12th letter in the alphabet equaling to 3. The 15th letter equaling to 5. That if you're working on the cross, right? The plus. Okay, 1 plus 2, 1 times 1 plus 2, 1 plus 5, 6 and 3. The Vav is the 22nd and the 5th letter. Okay, the reverse, the addition of these letters, okay, the addition of these letters is 5 and 15 equals to 20, 22 and 12, 34. The total is 54, the word for love. The third is L. The 6th is O is the 15th letter. The V is the 22nd letter, and the E is the 5th letter, saying love. Love in the sun to the DC world. 6 times 4, 6 plus 4. The creation of X and X. X Roman numerals, 6 times 4, 24, reverse 3, and 6 plus 4, 10, Roman numeral X. I just wanted to talk about that. If you're talking about a cube, we can talk about the deck of cards. We can talk about the phone face. And if we talk about the phone face or the center diamond, picking off the greatest diameter, we have 4 to the corner or 4 on the inside. We have 9 areas for the face of 6 sides. 9 times 6, 54 to the sun. 9 times 6, 54 times 4, 216 in a 9-hour period. 4, 3, 2, the vibration, 9, 5, and 4, 9, the vibration in the sun. 4 by 9, 36. Inside a touch, they look for those 36. 4 by 6, 24. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 4, 36. 9 by 4 by 6, 216 hours in the Mayan 9-day of 10, right? 9 days, 10, is it 9 days of 10 months, and then 9 days of 10 months equals 18 days and 20 months, or for 360 degrees, or is it 10 days and 9 months and 10 days and 9 months, making it 20 days? And the 10 automatically, because of 0, right? Because of 0 becomes 16, and that becomes 10 and 9, and 10 and 9, it becomes 16 and 9 equals to 25 and 07, and 16 and 9 equals to 25 and 07. These numeric values, 25, this computer is, again, will not let me, it's auto-focusing on me, okay? The 16 and 9 is 25 for Earth. The minus equals to 7. So the adding it or the minusing it will be equal to 77, or 2, 5, and 7. 2 times 5 is 10, and 7 equals to that magic 70 number that we're looking for. But I don't want to talk about this. 7 is the gateway to birth. 7 and 9. It's the bottom 2 corners of your square. I don't want to talk about either. 90, 9 times 10 is 90, and 54, 144, or 1440 minutes in a day. 1440 and 1440 is 288, or 2880, times 1.25, 512 memory. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2, 3 and 2 equals to 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. The Jackson 5 ABC as ABC 1, 2, 3. And 288 times 1.25, 1 1/4, because I believe that the Earth is, it ends at 288 days, and the completion where the missing part of the sea is 72 degrees, where it's split by 36 and 36, the opening of the sea, creating 288 plus 72 equaling to the 360 degrees around. Now, I'm not finished with this because, like I said, this is all about pieces and parts and building this off of games people play and numeric values, and everywhere we go is going to tell us something different until I can take all these pieces. And they also talked in the movie about can you be exact? You can be more or less exact, but certain things change because people change things. It's because of people want to know if they can win at roulette, and I just say it all depends. If they change the dealer or the croupier, it will change actually the outcome. So we need a consistent period of time for things to remain the same or to change at that periodic moment of time. Anyways, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching. If you didn't understand, ask me questions and I'll go over it again. Thank you again for watching. And 318 in that program. 318, 3 times 1. Ace, the 8 is the 8 is one thing, is the black ball in pool. It is gray in the one set of horse racing. It is pink in another set of horse racing, and that is very special to me because gray is black and white, okay? And anything on top of any other color with black will change it completely. White on top of any other color will only make it a lighter color unless it's red, in which red and white will create pink. Pink equals to L50 and gray equals to 55. And 55 is a sequence where it's created by 76. 7 times 6, 7 plus 6 is 13, and 42 equaling to 55. Okay, 13 and 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, created by 6 and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Add 1 through 5 is 15, add 5, 6, 7 is 18, 15 and 18 equals to a total of 33, and the letters O and R are roe. Salmon eggs are fish eggs. And somewhere in the movie Touched, we had the 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 6, and 7, which is 18 and 15. 15 is Mars to the spirit heaven, 18. Every time you have 5, you will automatically have 9, because 5 is inside a 9, and the 8 is what makes up the 4 corners of the 9, in where we have 4 on the inside, 4 on the outside, creating that 8, and we have 1 in the center. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of PEICES. Thank you for watching this video.